how to remove background from image. If you'd like to remove background from image, it's fairly simple for us to do so. What we have to do is we are going to simply use the help of a website called Remove.bg. So Remove.bg is one of the most popular options in case you want to remove the background. So first, when we go to this website, we'll upload the image from which we want to get rid of the background. And once we've selected that, it will automatically determine the background and it will convert it just like this into a transparent background. So you can download the transparent background. If something didn't feel right, you can just tap on erase or restore and manually brush off the parts that you do not need. And once you've done that, you can tap the download button to download your new transparent background image. This way you can remove background from image. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.